There's no iPod grenade. I was messing with your brain. Whatever. So yeah, Roblox is pretty cool. Why did I make the video again? Can't remember. What was the main point? Oh yeah, to tell you I now do iPhone repairs. I just have to do some more research. I've been researching iPhones for 3 years. I've been researching iPod Classic for 6 years. I mainly do work on iPod Classic, but I do done other iPods for a few years. So yeah, you should definitely jailbreak your iPhone. It's really cool. You can get loads of cool stuff. Mine didn't go well, so I can mainly get themes. So I really want you. At least iClassic is a theme, but dude, pixels, 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 pixels. I now will turn this iPod into an iPhone. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a Satan spawn. Damn it, only half worked. I still got an iPhone. I want to bring the Apple Classic back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Send Satan back to his mum. And I've had my iPod back. By the way, that's a joke. I was obviously not doing that, so don't leave any hate comments because I'm gonna ignore them because you're stupid. Whoever posted them. I'm just being honest with you. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. In case that's copyright fraud from Danger Dolan, please don't sue me.